If you want to know how I made this DIY hair mask using bell pepper and cloves, please guys stay tuned and I'll be right back.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. So today I'm sharing a DIY hair mask that can be used as a pre-poo treatment. For this amazing recipe, I used two powerful ingredients: green pepper and powdered cloves. So green pepper is packed with vitamin A, C and B, which strengthens hair follicles, promote hair growth and add a natural shine to your strands. It also helps to reduce hair fall and nourishes your scalp. White cloves are a superfood for your hair. They improve blood circulation in your scalp, boost hair growth and fight dandruff thanks to their anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties. So I started by cutting my green bell pepper into smaller pieces and combined it with powdered cloves, and then I added a cup of water, then blend them into a smooth mixture, ensuring all the nutrients were fully extracted. After blending, I sieved the mixture to remove any lumps, leaving me with a smooth liquid that's easy to apply. Once I'm done sieving, this is what it is looking like. So I went ahead to get my spray bottle and poured some of it inside because this is quite much, but I'm not going to let anything go to waste, trust me. So after this, I went ahead to get a jar bottle, then transfer the remaining content into it. Now that I've stored this, I'm going to store it away in the refrigerator. I don't want it to go bad because I will be using it soon for my daughters. So now this is our result of our green bell pepper and cloves. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how to apply this mask in our hair. So my hair is not washed. My hair has been like this for like 2 weeks now. Don't judge me, please. Don't judge me. So as I was saying, my hair has been like this for 2 weeks. So what I'm going to do is to section it bit by bit and then spray this into my scalp. So at a point, I don't know what really happened to this spray bottle. I had to transfer it to another storage jar or bottle anyways. So this helps to make sure the liquid comes out very well and I could feel it in my scalp. So guys, if you have watched this video up to this moment, I trust by now you would have click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, also share this to anybody who you feel can benefit from this, and tell me what to think about this mixture in the comment section. I can't wait to hear your feedback. So guys, you can also follow me on my other social media platform which you will see on the screen, and don't forget to, guys, I don't need to be reminding you this all the time. Please don't skip the advert. Because I know your hand is itching you to skip the advert. Please don't skip the adverts. So guys, make sure you apply this to your scalp and then massage it gently for a maximum absorption. So once you are done, you can go ahead and wash your hair with your favorite shampoo and conditioner for soft, shiny and healthy hair. Let me know in the comment if you will be trying this, and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY hair care tips. Thank you for watching. Bye.